Hello friend, how are you? I'm fine. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Affiliate marketing for beginners. What it is, how to success. All need to make money online. Watch the website you are. Don't have to create an own product or offer and service. Sound good? Hi, welcome to affiliate marketing. According that we start business expanding and on the affiliate marketing hit to 8.2 billion in the USA, United States of America in 2022, and the including marketing hub and statement that is the industry will the connect continue to grow 15.7 billion in 2024. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is and who promote another company product or service who the some product and throws you affiliate link and earn to commission this commission and usually process this the sales and fixed amount and the for example heart is link and about book and Amazon and the body and the by sell and book and there if you brought and then 15.45 in Harvard version and it is why should you do affiliate marketer. How to reasons why you should consider doing affiliate marketing. Number one, low cost and the low risks. Starting a business can be risky and exclusive because there are upfront cost and product, the implements and equipment, reach it, etc. With affiliate marketing, all you need to website and those and work and how to the online website and this the little but is on money. Number two, easy to scale. A tropical and salesperson only sell product from and companies. As you affiliate marketer, you can promote product from many different and companies and earn commission from all over them. How to start affiliate marketing with money and 5 step. How does affiliate marketing work? Uploading the affiliate marketing, get unique link and commission and tracking ID and etc. etc. Uh, and to my and the affiliate link. Just example, people who click on your link also great. Think feel the cleared and cooked soon there are drive. This is the usually hold and exchange data so you great paid and there are deals and buying for with the hard excrement and the example how to it word the someone visit your post and the based on and the click and Amazon affiliate link and you recommend the call and their process and paying the good back and Amazon and next how much money do affiliate marketing and make. The most affiliate marketing earn less than 100K per year and this affiliate annual receive and drive from the marketing effort 3.78%, the 7.94%, 5.1%, 16%, 50% below the 10K and the yes. Yet the wrong run is the 6.37 make and 50K per year more. The made given the don't excite and high effective inside the similar at the 14.991 the affiliate commission in 2021. Keep in the mind thought the people have those and the excellent there are ace and then and those are level. They are just starting the check and money is the check and money in this is the who is can accent how to great start with an affiliate marketing The choose your niche. The niche is created, the link taken, the promoted. The state and the amount, the collection on this website, 2 days, year, the drive, and the specific leaks and track. How to next good and the sum, but it's the link upgrade and this person audience and the help to SEO search engine optimization. How to are quick. How to the quick question, ask the yourself to find a good niche. What am I got to eat? What do I think doing? What am I cool about? What do other people tell me I am it is the hard to over the importance of choosing the someone person will needed to create a lot of conscious success of the affiliate marketing. If you choose someone of this that and great and commission is great. That's why the point to brought the first site and I took and taken the possible and this is the any statistics. Step two, the discussion and the content, the platform, website, YouTube, social media, newsletter, and postcard. The method of we choose will the defense perfect and the user niche and performance. For example, people are the learn back in the page, etc. The type of point you are the creating a website, YouTube, some things and listen and then fact and FTPC. And there's step three, the find the affiliate programs to join, and the high paying, the low volume niche and products. An example, low pricing, high volume, the high pricing, high volume type of affiliate program, good for the beginners, the bad for beginners. To campaign, bad for everyone, good for beginners. Which type of affiliate program sold you joined, and the best in targeting commission and the best for targeting business. Create a great content if you and the affiliate site and the success who need to change in quality condition who are the affiliate link and the get. Don't just behind and product from Amazon. We said don't to make shoot the content and sold and that's problem. For example, if you don't review who sold 80 purchase the product then use over the period in time and import frame. That what ways I did their articles for this response and high. Number five, dive in traffic to traffic side, and there is the extent and those the paid traffics, PPC, BSU, search engine optimization, practical like in Google, providing and duties. Number six, the great click and one your affiliate link. Just in affiliate link, Amazon and the link and placement contracts earn cloud and this site convert click to sale in affiliate marketing and this the convert to affiliate sale a problem income and report. Affiliate marketing tools. The affiliate marketing tools are find the affiliate marketing. They are the tools and engine Astra, Rankmaster, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, the third affiliate, and FU question, frequency asked question and affiliate marketing. What is the EPC in affiliate marketing? EPC, the engage the per click and the what is the cook and drag and affiliate marketing. Um, how do you start an affiliate marketing on Amazon? How do you start affiliate marketing without an website? How do you high tracking affiliate marketing? Final thoughts. No affiliate marketing website rules receive there are the framework and affiliate and this the right tool just in the expansion grows the programming. Thank you very much. My best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe my channel. It will comment, like, share.